Were we wearing matching outfits? Were you wearing sneakers? Was he driving a motorcycle? Was she riding a bicycle? Were they walking their dog? Was I listening to music? Were you watching a movie? Was he reading a book? Was she studying for the exam? Were we having a conversation? Were you attending a meeting? Was he playing the piano? Was she painting a picture? Were they practicing a dance routine? Was I speaking too fast? Were you paying attention? Was he telling a joke? Was she giving a presentation? Were we making plans for the weekend? Were you asking for help? Was he playing soccer? Was she swimming in the pool? Were they running a marathon? Was I working on a project? Were you cooking dinner? Was he fixing a broken appliance? Was she planting flowers in the garden? Were we organizing a party? Were you taking a vacation? Was he traveling to a different country? Was she exploring a new city? Were they volunteering at a local charity? Was I enjoying the concert? Were you cheering for your favorite team? Was he applauding the performers? Was she singing along to the songs? Were we dancing to the music? Were you walking alone? Was he telling stories? Was she sharing her experiences? Were they laughing at a joke? Was I feeling nervous? Were you feeling tired? Was he feeling happy? Was she feeling sad? Were we feeling excited? Were you feeling bored? Was he eating an apple? Was she drinking a cup of tea? Were we enjoying a delicious meal? Were you trying a new recipe? Was he running in the park? Was she practicing yoga? Were we playing a board game? Were you watching a movie?